Have you ever tried converting a PDF into Word or Excel only to find your formatting all over the place? Don't worry, we're going to fix that today. I'll show you step by step how to convert PDFs without losing a single detail. This will save you tons of time if you deal with reports, resumes, contracts, or schoolwork. I think we've all been there. You upload a PDF into some random online converter and suddenly your tables are scrambled, the fonts don't match, and your carefully designed layout is completely gone. Imagine sending in a resume like that. It could literally cost you an interview. Or turning in a report to your boss where the numbers don't line up. Not great. The good news, there's a simple way to avoid all that. That's where Wondershare PDFelement comes in. It's a powerful but super easy to use PDF editor that actually keeps your formatting safe. I'll walk you through two main methods, converting PDFs to Word and to Excel. And along the way, I'll show you why this tool stands out compared to the rest. Let's start with converting to Word. First of all, open PDFelement and drop in your PDF file. You can drag and drop the file or just click Open File. Now go up to the top toolbar and click Convert and choose the to Word option. Just a quick tip, you can choose the output folder so your new Word file lands exactly where you want it. PDFelement even gives you the option to convert all pages or just specific pages. Handy if you only need part of a long document converted. And that's pretty much it. You'll now have a Word file that looks exactly like your PDF. Tables, fonts, headers, everything. This is especially useful for editing contracts, resumes, or proposals without having to rebuild the layout from scratch. Now let's try Excel. Same steps, open your PDF, hit Convert, and this time select to Excel. And here's something I really like. PDFelement can recognize rows, columns, and even complex tables. And if you want, you can set the program to put everything into one continuous Excel sheet, or keep the page breaks. Think about accountants working with invoices, researchers handling survey data, or students analysing results. This saves hours of cleanup work. Your numbers will be ready to use straight away. Now sure, there are tons of PDF converters out there, but many of them just don't get it right. Your images move, your charts vanish, your columns collapse. PDFelement nails it almost every time, and that consistency means you can actually trust your converted file. And PDFelement doesn't stop at just Word and Excel. You can convert to PowerPoint, images, text, or even HTML. Plus there's OCR technology. If your PDF is scanned, PDFelement can recognize the text so you can edit it. That's a big deal for anyone working with printed documents or archives. And guess what? It's not just desktop. You can also convert on your phone, iOS or Android, or use PDFelement's online tools. Imagine being at a cafe and getting an urgent request. You can convert the file right on your phone. Super handy. Let me give you some real-life examples. A student can convert lecture notes into Word and add annotations. An accountant can take a PDF invoice and immediately work with the numbers in Excel. HR professionals could cleanly convert resumes for easier formatting. Basically, if you deal with PDFs in any form, this tool will save you a lot of stress and time. So that's how you convert PDF files without losing formatting. Whether it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or mobile, PDFelement has you covered. Try it out and save yourself the formatting headache, because it is annoying. If you found this one helpful, don't forget to give the video a like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. The link to download PDFelement for yourself is in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.